So you'll notice that I forgot to turn on the wide-angle lens on my GoPro. Enjoy this terrible footage that's mostly pointed downward. As you can see, I bought myself a John Deere. It's a 2016 Yamaha R3 with some pretty cool modifications to it, like an POV exhaust and some other cool stuff. I've had the bike for a little over a month, and I've just spent time practicing and getting some riding time in. Anyways, as you can see, it's a 321cc twin parallel engine bike, so nothing to write home about. As I start off right here, this truck forgets how to drive for a second and interrupts me, and then I can proceed. The exhaust certainly has an interesting sound, also nothing to write home about. Here's a funny story. My friend and I went to go pick up the bike in his truck, and on the way back, the roads were so bumpy that the ratchets came loose and it nearly tipped over in the truck bed. Anyways, what happened next? The GoPro did not record for some reason, so I took matters into my own hands. My GoPro has taken a tumble. Gotta make sure it's still over here. Oh my gosh, I see it. It's over there. That's so lucky, dude. I should really get a chin mount. That might be smart. Dude, no way. I just recovered that. That could have gone really bad. So maybe let's not use cheap Walmart, mounts for your helmet. That might not be smart. So you know that theory about how guys' brains don't fully develop until they're 25? Yeah, I proved that to be true because for some reason I thought it would be a good idea to put the GoPro back on the helmet. I'm sure that's a good idea. As you can now see, I'm using my left hand, the clutch hand, to hold the GoPro, and for a second I thought I couldn't shift. But then I used 3% instead of 2% of my brain power, and remembered that I had a quick shifter. I had never tried to use it, but I tried, and it worked. Look at this absolutely 5-head play I did here. I stuck the GoPro to the gas tank to get home. I am actually a certified genius. Look at that.